Morning everyone. Today we are going to do NCERT explanation chapter 2. I'm going to explain you. Okay, chapter 2, acid, base and neutral in one shot. It is from class 7 science. Okay. So by Shubham sir is mentioned. I'm only Shubham. Okay. Next thing here is the concept. Okay. Now here we will understand about this photo in the chapter. Okay. I will directly explain you from the NCERT. No other source I will use. Okay. If you want to know about other sources, so I have made also one video on that same chapter from PPT. Okay. You can get the link in description. Thank you. Now let us start our today's topic. Why acid, base and neutral is important? Why do we have to identify them in our life? Like, why do we need them in our life? First thing and the foremost thing, welcome to Study Punch. Okay. Now, acid, base and neutral we identify for the how they are formed, like what sense or what type of things or qualities the materials have. Okay, now starting with the text. So here you can see the chapter name, exploring substances. What's the chapter name? Exploring substances, acid, base and neutral. Okay, so let us start. So see here, there is a QR code given. For what? For ebook or whatever it may be. Okay, so starting. On 28th February, the school hosts a science fair to celebrate National Science Day. At the entry gate, siblings Ashwin and Kirti, remember these names, Ashwin and Kirti, were greeted with a white sheet of paper. It was blank. They were curious to know why a white sheet of paper was given to them. A few steps ahead, there was a volunteer spraying liquid onto these sheets of paper. The siblings also got their white sheets sprayed. What happens afterwards? Yes, to their surprise, the word "Welcome to the wonderful world of science" appeared on the papers. For the moment the liquid was sprayed, they were excited and eager to know how this happened and reason behind it. Now, if you will see, magical things, magical shots, so they will also show you that. So to know what's the reality in magic shows depend on science, and this is like many of the magicians do these type of cheating with us. Their curiosity has partially satisfied at the colorful world of substance tool. They saw many activities showing color changes on mixing different substances. They decided to explore these changes further. Let us join them on this learning adventure. Now see, this is the photo. It was also in starting I have shown. These are Ashwin. This is Ashwin and this is Kirti. Okay, and this is the volunteer spraying liquid. Okay, this is the volunteer spraying liquid. See, What is appearing here? Wonderful world of science. Okay. Now we see one like this. Today was National Science Day. Okay. And there is a photo of a scientist and a quoting given: explore, inquire, and enjoy. What does this quoting suggest you to do? Enjoy, inquire, and explore. So we know the meaning of explore: to find new things or create new things. Inquire, ask questions, and have fun. Enjoy, have fun. Okay. Now, next one is white children. So now, forward we will see the properties. Okay. So what is written here in the next page? See. 2.1 Nature or Science Laboratory. 2.1.1 Litmus as an indicator. So there is a litmus named indicator which is frequently used in our science laboratories. Okay. So there is an activity mentioned. You can try that activity. I will show you and tell you the steps required. Okay. Collect some samples of lemon juice, soap. Why isn't it working? Soap solution, amla juice, tamarind water, vinegar, baking soda solution, lime water, tap water solution, washing soda solution, sugar solution, and salt solution. I want you to tell which. This is a starting activity, no? Okay. Take a stripe of blue litmus paper and cut it into small pieces. Okay. See, here it has cutted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one has turned to red. Okay. Spread these sheets onto a clean and dry white tile. So she had put on white tile. Use a dropper. Put one drop of each of the sample one by one on these litmus paper pieces as shown in figure 2.2a. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, color change in blue litmus paper we will see. Yes. So here is the color change shown. Okay. It is not correct actually, like every of them has turned to red. It is not actually correct. That is all just a photo. Do you observe any change in the color of the blue litmus pieces? Record your observation in table 2.a. Okay. Repeat the same activity with pieces of red litmus paper as shown in 2.2b. Okay. It is using red litmus paper. Okay. And record your observations in 2.a. Now, 2.a table. Now let us see that 2.a. Wait. How to prepare lime water? Don't get confused. Lime water, the word lime, which is a fruit similar to lemon. Lime water solution is calcium hydroxide. Okay. Chuna, we say in Hindi. Calcium oxide in water and leaving it undisturbed for some time, say an hour. Filter the liquid into another container and use it as lime water. Okay. Lime water is also used in pan. You know pan? If you don't know, no problem. Okay. So let us start this table. If I do red color here, so it means that it was changed to red. Let me write these. Wait. So this color indicates acid. This color indicates base. And this color, neutral. Wait, I will show you a little bit about weight. Okay, wait once. Acid base. Acid base, and this color will show neutral. So I have used two colors here. Okay, three colors here. So I will show you, and real color also I will show you. Very less, I think so. Neutral will be there. Okay, so I am pointing at them here. Yellow is first. Wait, let me make just a small circle. Wait for 1 minute. Okay, so I have drawn these three dots. Okay, yellow is neutral, red is acidic, and blue is basic. Okay, these are not the real colors. I will tell you which are real and which aren't real. Like wait for me. Which color shall I use? This one. Okay. Yellow will be remain not same. Yellow, like if it is red, so it will show red only, and if it is blue, it will show blue only. But which color I am using? No, it is real litmus paper. It is litmus paper. First, real litmus paper is prepared like this only, this color only. Okay, but then it is changed to red and blue when reacted with acid and base. So it means that what litmus papers you get are reacted with yellow and red and blue acid and base. Okay. So shall I start the activity? Okay. So, and I will do just a tick mark there. Okay, or I will put a slash or tick mark. No, slash is okay. So lemon juice, blue will change to red because it is acidic. Acid. Wait. Yes, acid only. So it is acid. Okay. Now, next one. Red will change to red only. Red will remain same. Okay. If remain same, I will put a tick. Okay. Soap solution. Soapy solution. Same only. Just slash and same. Change it. Okay. Amla juice. Acidic. Okay. Tamarind water. Okay. Vinegar. Vinegar will be. Vinegar will be red. One. मम्मी पानी देना एक गिलास. Sorry everyone. So now your time is over. Okay, so let us start. What will be the answer? This is yes. This was also yes. Yes. Neutral we can take distilled water. Okay. So now moving on to the next. Now I think so you don't need the target, you can finish it. Okay, from the above activity we can conclude that the red rose extract can also be used to test the nature of the substances. Hence it is another example of an acid base indicator. We can conclude that the red rose extract seems to give red color in an acidic solution and green color in basic solution. Okay, so remember these colors: green color in basic and red color in acidic solution. Okay, can you now fill the nature of the substances in 2.3, table 2.3? We have filled. Okay, now next one is we are sure that you will be excited to know above results. You may repeat the process of preparing the extract and testing substances with some vegetables, fruits, and or flowers such as beetroot, purple cabbage, turmeric, Indian berry, jamun, and red red hibiscus guldam flower. They can also act as an acid base indicator. Okay, so now I will show you one. Okay, I will show you after some time. Okay, so first, like it is been preparing. Okay, freshest news for the vegetables. Okay, we need fresh thing. Now, hypochondria is an plant that grows in colder climates in Himalayan region and the northwestern states. It gives flower of different color depending on the nature of acidic soil of the soil. Acidic soil prepares blue colored flowers, uh, whereas in basic soil they are preparing red. Okay, now turmeric is an indicator, I told you. Okay, we have used blue and red litmus paper stripes in a activity 2.1. Can you make paper stripes with some other natural indicators? Find out by performing the following activity. Okay, so take a spoonful of turmeric in a patri dish or container and add a little water to make a paste. You may also grind the pieces of fresh turmeric. Carefully dip the piece of filter paper into turmeric paste until it gets yellow color. Okay, take it out and allow it to dry. Cut this yellow paper into thin sheets which are used as turmeric paper. Okay, 29.b it has been shown. 29 is turmeric paste. Okay, now there is also a collusion, a warning given. Prepare this step under the supervision of an adult. Okay, turmeric paper stripes are being shown here. You can prepare it at home also. Okay, now next one. Wait. Okay. Next one is use a dropper. Put a drop of each of the sample into of the activity 2.a one by one on separate pieces of turmeric paper. Record your observation in table 2.4. Okay. Testing in natural samples of turmeric paper. Name of the sample. Like it can be any type of sample, any sample. Okay. Lemon juice, first sample. The color of the turmeric paper after putting a drop of the sample. Lemon juices. Okay, they have not explained you that what color it will change. So I want to explain you. Again I have went to the last. Okay, I will erase this all stuff that I have explained to a little bit before. Okay, so now let me tell you. If we have this as our paper, I have taken, how many papers do you need? 2. Okay, 1, 2. This one I will show you acid in this and base in this. Okay, this side I will show you, or acid this side, base this side. Okay, so now these are our turmeric papers we took. Now in an acid, no, they will not turn, they are friends. They will say, why will we turn? We are friends. Okay, and when the base touches them, they got angry that I am not the friend of base. Why did base touch me? I will react. Okay, like they think, and they react as they will turn themselves to red. This turmeric paper will turn to red. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, this will turn to this type of red, almost this red. They will say, why did you touch us? We will change. Okay, so we learned that it only changes its color in what? In basic substance. Okay, so we were here only. So lemon juice is an acid, so it will be its friend. Soap solution is not an acid, it is a base, so it will not be its friend and turning to red. Okay, now amla juice is acidic, so it is its friend. It will not turn and it will remain yellow only. Okay, fourth, we can add washing soda powder. It will turn to red. So now, okay, compare these we have done. Why is turmeric known as golden spice? Turmeric is a member of ginger family, okay, which is grown in India and other countries. A common spice in daily household. It has been researched for benefits beyond the taste and color it provides the food. In the Ayurvedic system of medicine, turmeric is used to have numerous health benefits and is commonly used in several traditional remedies. Remedies, we know, we every day we use turmeric. Okay, so now I will show you that experiment. I have taken beetroot extract. Okay, see, you will see small beetroot parts beneath that. Can you see these dark red? So I will, okay, can you see them? So now I will put the extract of this. Okay, I will take these out. So here you see I have extracted. Now there is nothing like that. Okay, so I will use vinegar as an acid. Okay, no, not vinegar, I will use lemon. Okay, so here is my lemon, you can see it, this. Okay, so I will pour 2 to 3 drops. Okay, is there any change? Can you see any change? I think so, no. Now I will use base. Okay. So base I have took baking like powder of, you can say that. Okay. Now I will put base into it. We will just wait for 2 to 3 minutes because it will neutralize first. So can you see the color? Okay. So can you see the color? It has become very light in color. Okay. So we have used. Now if I put no, this, what will happen? See. Okay, so first see the color change in basic substances. Can you see it properly? See. Okay. Now it is again turning. You can see the bottom part. Okay. It is again becoming right. So now we have seen the activity. So now Ashwin created a greeting card to pay gratitude to his teacher. On the day of Guru Purnima, he applied turmeric paste on white paste and paper and dried it. He wrote his wishes in the paper's teacher's mother tongue OD language on a dried paper using the one of the solution tested in 2.4, which solution can be used to write the message. Okay, this we can use the teacher upload, like we can use any, he used turmeric, no, so we will use any base like eno we can use. Okay, then surf powder we can use. Okay, and baking soda, baking powder, we can use them. Okay, we can use any of the following: baking soda, baking powder, I told you. So the teacher, his teacher uploaded his creativity of this concept. Applause, like he gave a big hand for him. Okay, are these any substances which whose occur change in adding a acidic or basic solutions? They are olfactory indicators. Okay. Now activity 3.2.6, take some finely chopped onion into a container along with some stripes of clean cotton cloth or filter paper. Tightly close the container and leave it overnight. Take 2 of the cotton cloth and filter paper stripes into the container and check their occur. Keep them on the cleaning surface and put a few drops of turmeric water onto one stripe and few drops of baking soda solution on the another. Allow the drops to spread on the stripe. Check the occur again. Do you notice any change in the occur of the onion stripes before and after putting turmeric water and baking soda? I think so, yes. The onion doesn't change smell in acidic but changes smell in basic, so it is an basic indicator. Okay. Now next is do note your observations. Similarly, test the change in the occur with other acidic and basic substances. Record your observations. Okay. So now there is a scientist, Adya Puchilla Chandra Rai. Okay. On the first photo, very first photo, his photo was given there. Can you see this photo? This is Anya Puchilla Rai only. Okay. This one. Now we will read about the things that he did. Remember the target. 100. Wait. Back. 100 likes. Okay. I think so. You will remember it. I've done this. I think so. This. Sorry. Wait. What is this of? 2.7. Is known as the father of modern Indian chemistry. He earned an doctorate in chemistry from United Kingdom and returned to India. He contributed towards advancing scientific research in India. He also established India's first phenomenological company, a company in the field of medicines, in 1901. He was the person rooted in Indian culture and knowledge tradition. Though his writings on the history of the chemistry of India, he highlighted the achievements and experts of ancient Indian scientists to the modern world. Ray, a social reformer, also advocated use of mother tongue as a medium of instructions in educational institutions. Okay. Now, next one is what happens when acid substance mix with a basic substance. Okay. Now, see. So now I am going to use lemon and Eno powder. That is it. Okay. And what will happen in between them? So I have taken a little bit water in this, in the tumbler. Can you see this? I have taken pure water. Okay. Now I want it like that. Okay. So first water is taken. I will show you both the things, and now first and the foremost this is lemon. I have squeezed lemon. Wait. Okay. I have taken a little bit lemon. Okay. So now I'm opening Eno. I will put a sufficient. See now. Can you hear that sound and this reaction? Now I will show you again. Okay. This you can see the reaction happening. I will pour a little bit in it. Okay. Can you see this? This here the neutralization is happening. Okay. And the heat is also evolving. So okay. Now again I have to water. This is the final and the foremost I'm showing you. Okay, I have put lemon into it. Now see it completely. Okay. Oh my god, it is taking about. Heat is also evolving. Okay. I want the water to come out. Oh my god. Okay, see, just a little bit is left. Last time putting a little bit of and now I will shake it. Okay. Can you see this? Okay. So yeah, here the water has came out of that. Until now also the reaction is continuing. Can you listen that sound? If I put this also, can see. Now it has become acidic a little bit. Okay. So yeah, this was your neutralization reaction. Next activity will be same. So I have shown you. You can take any. Okay. So with this, our activity is completed. Close all your stuff. And I request you, now I will put this also in this. Nothing is happening because this was just a small bit. Now the proper, you could see here, okay. The color can be different also because if ज़्यादा गिर गया मेरे से, so it can change colors, okay. The color doesn't matter to you. Okay, so investigate. I told you lemon drops in a test tube. Okay, I finished it. See, add a drop of blue litmus solution into it. Okay, I haven't add, and when I'm touching this glass till now, I can feel the heat into it. Okay, and this also has heat. So we got to know that the heat also evolves in the reaction. If we take, do you know that the eno is also alkaline base, but it is dense, like decalized. There is a word for it. Okay, I will tell you later if I remember it. Okay, So now, what did you observe? There is any change in the color of the solution? Yes, there is a change in the color of solution. It has become a little bit orangish. Okay. And the bubbles are still glowing. Okay. Can you predict why this color change is happening? Because this, what is this? Lemon and this were both opposite nature. They cancel out there. Okay. Now I want you to make, initially when the drops of blue litmus solution is added to the lemon water solution, the color of the solution turns red. When the lime water is added to this test tube, the color of the solution eventually changes from red to blue. This shows that the solution in the test tube is no longer acidic. Lime water has neutralized. So it has neutralization effect is there. Okay. When the solution of acid and is mixed with the solution of the base in sufficient quantity, we find the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Such reactions are called neutralization reaction. In a neutralization reaction, salt and water are formed with the, now see, if I have put in this, oh wait, I can't just show you like that. Okay, I have to take the tray. Now, in this, I have put if more Eno. Okay, Eno if I put more, if I have put more. So, it has given us water. You can see. Okay. It has given us water. It has given us acidic salt. I told you salt can be acidic, basic. No, basic salt it has given me, and heat. I told you when I am touching it, the beaker is like heat is revolving. There are many examples in everyday life where you observe the use of neutralization process. Neutralization in daily life. Situation 1. Kirti was observing an butterfly in the garden with her hand resting on the tree trunk. Suddenly a red ant bit her, leaving her skin red with stinging pain. Her brother helped her to apply moist baking soda to the affected area, which relieved the pain. What do you think might the reason of this be? Because acid, when ants bite, so the formic acid is released into your body. Okay, this is the photo. If you can see, I think so you can see. So see, she was seeing a butterfly only. Okay, so it releases formic acid into our skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, which is base. Okay, situation 2, on the farmer portal and online platform for the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, a query from the farmer states, my plant are not growing well lately. After a detailed discussion, they find that the excessive use of chemical fertilizers substance may added to the soil to have plants chemical fertilizer substance added to the soil to have plants grow better, make the soil acidic. What remedy might be provided to him? He can take snaked lime or snaked lime, or another type of lime is also there. Okay. Now, situation 3. If the soil is basics, organic matter like manure and compost leaves are added to it. Organic matter releases acids that neutralize the basic nature of the soil. Sometimes the soil may be neutral, but the plants growing in it may be still show poor health, which can be due to the deficiency of nutrients in the soil. Okay, Ambier, situation 3 now. Ambier's friend, Ashwin's friend Gunbir stays near an industrial area. He shared with him that the fish's population in his neighborhood lake was declining day by day. What could might be the reason for this? It may be due to the factory waste being released into the lake. If the factory waste is acidic in nature, what should be done to save the fishes in the lake? The factory waste can be neutralized by adding basic substances before releasing into the lake. Now let us warp up. Okay, like closes. Okay, close. So now they are the nutshell in the sense. Why is it becoming that much small? Okay, these are the what? This is the summary. You can take the photo of it or you can have it into your textbook. Okay, so now moving into the next, I will make you do fourth question till fourth question. I will make you do. Okay, now there is an homework for all of you. You can tell me the answers in comment. You can tell the answer of 5th, 7th, 8th and 12th. Okay, in the comment box. 5th, 7th, 8th and 12th. Okay, so the solution turns the red litmus paper to blue. Excessive addition of which of the following solution would revert the change? So it can be red litmus paper to blue. We can use red litmus paper to blue. So ज़्यादा क्या है उसमें? Baking soda. Okay, you are provided with 3 unknown labeled substance A, B, C and you don't know which of these are acidic, basic or neutral. Upon adding a few drops of red litmus solution to solution A, it turns blue. Remember the target. Enroll likes. Okay. When a few drops of turmeric solution are added to the solution B, it turns red. Finally, after the adding a few drops of red rose extract to vitamin C, solution C, it turns to green. Okay. Wait. So now I told you no. Okay. Okay, so based on the observation, which of the following correct sequence of nature of solution A, B, C? So upon adding a few drops of lead litmus paper, the solution it turns to blue. So turns to blue is basic. So 3 and 4 have basic. Next one, turmeric is added, it turns red. So it is also basic. 3 and 4 again. And the last one is basic. So answer is 4. Okay. So answer is 4. Wait. So now third one. Observe the following and analyze figure 2.3, 2.4 and 2.15. Okay, so this can be green. It is turning, so it is wrong. Actually green की जगह it should be blue. Here it is neutral, here it is acid and here it is base. Okay, now next one is a liquid from the laboratory was tasted using various indicators. Change, red litmus no change, blue litmus turned red and turmeric no change. So it will be basic solution. Acidic solution. Okay, fifth one is comment you will give answer. Now suggest a various ways which can be used for writing the okay, sixth one and eighth one are same. So you can send the answers of sixth and eighth in the comment box. Seventh one I will explain here. Grape juice was mixed with the red rose extract. The mixture got a tint of red color. What will happen if baking soda is added to the mixture? Justify your answer. So grape juice जब add हुआ red rose extract में tint red color. So red color is acidic. So it is acidic. Okay, ninth one. How can be? Oh, we did many activities for the ninth one. Beetroot I showed you. Okay, 3 liquids are given to you. One is vinegar. 10th one. Okay, one is vinegar. Next one is baking soda solution, and third one is sugar solution. Can you identify them only with turmeric paper? No, because the turmeric paper only checks of basic, so we can't identify. Okay, so now next one we will do extract of red rose turns into blue liquid blue. Wait, liquid X to green. Okay, observe the following. What will happen when excess of amla juice is added to X? So what will happen? What will happen? If it is turning green, so it will be, देखो, if it is turning to green, it is basic, and when amla juice is added, so it will neutralize its effect, and then it will turn to red because excess is added. Okay, don't forget to give the answers in comment and like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone. These are the projects that you can do at home, and you will find the description. In the description box you will get the another class. I have explained it in a PPT form. Thank you. Have a nice day. So in the end I want to give you a thank you for watching this video, and best for viewers, that is the same topic I have explained but using an PPT, and my recent video is 100 MS word tricks. You can try both the videos. Like, share and subscribe. Remember to give the answers in comments. Thank you.